So this is question number 4. F is defined from R to R. Say from this 1 1 and 2 we are going to get a 5 mark question. There is no like 1 1 and 2 we are not getting 2 mark 3 mark questions. Okay, we will get 5 mark question. For 5 mark questions, so 1 1 and 2 they may ask. So maximum, so this is not suitable for 5 mark. 5 mark some important questions, so that we will discuss later, but it is also not considered as not important. You may consider this as important also, not so important. F is from R to R. F of x is defined as modulus function. It is a modulus function. What is the definition of modulus function? The output is always a positive real number. The input whatever the real values, but the modulus of a negative number is also positive. Modulus of a positive number is also positive. So this is enough for saying that it is not 1 1. Like 1 1 case, if I take an element f of minus 2 is mod minus 2, which is equal to 2. What about f of 2? It is mod 2, it is also 2. F of minus 2 equal to f of 2, but minus 2 not equal to plus 2. This is enough for saying that f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. It is similar to that. So 1.1, 1.2 they are having the same image, that it is 1. Here minus 2 and plus 2 are having the same image, plus 2. So two elements are having same image, then it is not 1 1. It is many one function. So it is not 1 1. Next, onto function. Same concept you can use. A range is set of positive real numbers. R plus means positive real numbers. Codomain is real numbers. Set of real numbers. Means the range is not equal to codomain, or codomain is not equal to range. So if these two are not same, so F is not onto. Therefore F is neither 1 1 nor onto. F is neither 1 1 nor onto function. What he is asking? Show that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. Similarly, we are having the sinum function. Here also we have to show that F is neither 1 1 nor onto function. With the same concept we are going to do for the next concept, next question also. See, question number 3 and 4 almost we have done in the same pattern. In the same way we do in the same pattern for the question number 5, that it is a sinum function. All these greatest integer, modulus and sinum function which we have discussed in the PUC first year classes. Next, question number 5. Sinum function. F is from R to R and is defined as f of x is equal to 1, 0, minus 1. If x greater than 0, if x equal to 0, if x less than 0. Next, it is neither 1 1 nor onto. We have to prove that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. 1 1 case. See, for x greater than 0 means we can take 2, 3, 4. They are all greater than 0. So same examples we can take f of 2 is equal to. So sinum function for x greater than 0 it is 1. So it is also same as f of 3, f of 4 we can take. So f of 2 is same as f of 3, but 2 is not equal to 3. This is enough for saying that f is not 1 1. Next for onto case. Next onto case. Say range is what? First I write a range. Range is a set of all outcomes. Range here -1 0 1, but codomain is a set of real numbers. Codomain is a set of, domain is a real number, codomain is also set of real number. So range is -1 0 1. Only 3 elements are there in a range. So therefore range is not equal to codomain. Not equal to codomain. If range is not equal to codomain, we can say F is not onto. So therefore F is neither 1 1 nor onto. F is neither 1 1 nor onto function. Yes. Next question. Question number 6. A is defined as a set. A is 1, 2, 3. Set B is 4, 5, 6, 7. F is defined as, it is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Be a function from A to B, show that F is a 1 1 function. Be a function from A to B, so F is show that it is a 1 1 function. See here, F of 1 is, image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. Means all the elements of A are having the unique and distinct images. So all the elements of a domain has unique and distinct image. Unique and distinct image in set B, that it is codomain. So therefore it is enough for saying that therefore F is 1 1 function. So here we have to check only 1 1 function. It is not asking onto function. It is 1 1 function. Show that it is 1 1 function. So if they ask onto function, answer it is not onto, because range is 4 5 6, codomain is 4 5 6 7. So it is like this. If I define through Venn diagram, a set A, this is set B. Set A is 1 2 3. It is 4 5 6 7. Image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. It is 1 1 function, but not onto, because 7 is not a image of any element. All the elements of a codomain must be images, then only it is onto function. This is not onto because 7 is not image of any element. So like this we can say that it is 1 1, but not onto. He is not asking onto, just for clarification, so we are saying. So it is not onto because codomain is not equal to range. Next, question number 7. A set F from A cross B to B cross A. A set F from A cross B to B cross A. F of A comma B is equal to B comma A. is a bisective function. Show that it is a bisective function. Solution for 1 function. I take an elements from the first set that it is A cross B is a domain if f of a1 comma b1 is equal to f of a2 comma b2. These are the ordered pairs exist in the Cartesian products, that it is A cross B. A cross B contains A comma B, means I take A1 B1, A2 B2. What is f of A comma B? So B comma A, means we can write this as B1 comma A1, which is equal to B2 comma A2. By this we can equate B1 and B2, B1 equal to B2 and A1 equal to A2. Therefore, A1 comma B1 is equal to A2 comma B2. F of A1 comma B1 is equal to F of A2 comma, means F of X1 equal to F of X2. We have proved X1 is equal to X2. This is enough for saying that F is 1, 1. For onto function. For onto, let B comma A belongs to B cross A. Then there exists an element. There exists an element A comma B in A cross B such that f of A comma B is equal to B comma A. Therefore, this is enough for saying that f is onto function. Since f is 1, 1 onto, it is both. Therefore, f is both 1, 1 and onto. Since f is both 1, 1 and onto, therefore we can say f is bisective function. So this is 8th one, not 7th one. It is a 8th question which we have done. 8th one we have done. Show that it is a bisective function. So 1, 1 onto is also nothing but f is bisective function. So this we have done 8th question, not the 7th. 7.